This is Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G000. This is Bunjo Show. So we're out here in Chihuahua. It's nice and calm right now. But yesterday there's a huge storm. Look at, and like look at this thing.
Oh yeah.
A dead sea turtle. Ah, man.
We are in the beach now.
R.I.P. Franklin the turtle. R.I.P. Franklin. Look at him. Poor guy. Off into the sunset, R.I.P. I think it washed up a sea turtle and all this other rubbish from the sea. But look, it's nice and calm today. But R.I.P. sea turtle. This is the first sea turtle I've seen and it's dead. Damn. Crazy, huh? What do you think about this, Sad?
Of course, because he's a big turtle.
He's a big one and he has barnacles growing off him. See those little white things on his shell? Those are barnacles. That means he's an old fella. I wonder. Dead, everything. That's a dead pig. It washed up a pig. I guess he was just trying to get a drink and now he's all waterlogged. That's what happens with the dangerous Yugo winds. It washes up everything. And we're just on our way to the police station. It's a sunny, beautiful day out here too. But sad. That storm fucked everybody up. Well, just wildlife. Now I'm gonna try to get back up here. Yeah, buddy. This is Bunjo. We're out here. Woo! We seen a dead sea turtle, and we tried to do the right thing by calling wildlife conservation or whatever, the people that help the sea turtles. Called the vet, called the Opchina, which is the local town help center. I don't think they do that here. I called a place in Florida, but they're in Florida. We're in Croatia, unfortunately. Tried to do the right thing, because Thisisbunjo. You know that. I always do the right thing. And it's a beautiful day out here, and we're going for a walk. And I guess we couldn't get any information on the dead sea turtle, because I know you're supposed to call people if you see one, because they're like a coveted animal that everybody doesn't want to go to extinction and they care about these things. And that's it. This is Bunjo and we're out here.
And Mickey.
And Mickey. What did you think about sea turtle?
I like it, but I don't like that.
You said did, huh?
Yes.
Was it your first sea turtle scene? Or no?
No, I watched it in Brazil.
You watch what?
In Brazil.
Oh, you seen them?
Yes.
That was my first sea turtle, and it was a dead one. Oh. And then we seen a pig beside it, which was crazy too. Yeah. A pig and a sea turtle from the Yugo. Damn Yugo winds. Mm-hmm. But they got the best of those guys. And I don't know, we're out of here. Quick video. This is Bunjo wishing you guys a Merry, Merry Christmas. And this is Mickey's last day. And she is sad. And on her last day we seen a sea turtle, so it's pretty sweet. But she's been crying a lot.
Yes.
She has to go back to Argentina.
Oh, I'm crying because I'm leaving you.
Yeah. And you're leaving Kraken.
I'm Kraken, yes.
Aw, how do you feel?
Sad. Like, I don't know, with a lot of feelings.
And we're going to Zagreb tomorrow. We were supposed to go on Wednesday, but we have to go tomorrow because there's no buses on Wednesday.
No, it's not buses, very early. And I need to do the PCR test.
Yes, and so everything's a rush. Go, 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 yes. Go, go now. And we thought we had some time, and we're going to Charles tonight to try African food.
With Argentinian wine.
Yeah, with some, what is it, Malbec?
Malbec.
Yeah, whatever she said. And I don't know, now we gotta wake up at 4:30 in the morning and get ready and go to Zagreb. And you guys will see us at Charles' house later. And then after that, you'll see us in Zagreb. Bye-bye, Mickey. See you. Little Santa sleigh. This is Trogear Square. And this is Bunjo out here. Little, I don't know what that is. Some sort of snowing beaver. And there's Mickey by the snowman. Look, you like the snowmans and stuff? That's funny, huh? We'll take a screenshot. There's Mickey. This is Bunjo. Get in the sled. Get in the sled. Whip that reindeer, girl. Whip it. That looks like me. Looks like me, but gay. Oh, oh, oh.